Good morning, girls. Today's lesson is decimal, fraction, and percent. Now you can see in this grid how many total squares are there. 100 and colored are 30, 10, 10 and 10. 30 is there, and you can see the one is small square is half. That means altogether is 30.5. Then before you learn before this one, this is percent is 30.5%. Then now today you just convert into the decimal. How to convert the decimal? It is very easy. Just shift this decimal point to the left, because 30.5 is divided by 100, because out of 100. That's why convert into the decimal. Just shift this decimal 1 and 2. Then you can see the answer is 0.30 and 5. Now you can see in this one, convert decimal before you learn percentage to the decimal. Now you can see this one, write decimal as a percent. Then first you can see what is given here, 2 by 3 in fraction. Then how to convert into the decimal? Then 2 is divided by 3 by long division method. Inside whatever in the numerator, always remember in the numerator is 2. It is inside and outside is 3. Then you divide. You start dividing. Then you can see 2 is smaller than 3. Then you cannot divide. Just put a decimal point and a 0. Then it will be like 20. Then 3 times 6 is 18, and then 20 minus 18 is 2. Again you copy 0, and then again, that means again 2 is coming. What is the meaning here? You can see 0.66. That means it is repeating. Then what is the answer of 2 by 3 is 0.666, and you also write 0.66. What is remainder here? 2. You know how to write 2 by 3. That in what is 2 by 3 in decimal? Because 0.66 multiplied by 100, it will be 66, and 2 by 3%. I think it is clear. Always remember this. You always remember, if it is given in the fraction, you just divide. It is very easy also, and convert into the decimal. Fraction to decimal, just divide by long division method. Today write as a decimal the question number. This is your book question number 1, 4, 7 and 10. Then you can see here the question number A1 is 48.5%. convert into the decimal, just shift the decimal point 2 places, only just on the left hand side, because 48.5% divided by 100. What is the meaning of the percent? Is 48.5 divided by 100. Then convert into the decimal. What is the answer? Just shift the decimal point 2 places. 40.485. It is very easy. Just you can see this one. The next question number 4. Again you can see, just shift a decimal point. A decimal point is here, then shift 1 and 1 more. That means what is the answer? 0.0807. Then in this one, 4%. Again shift 2 decimal point, 4 and 0. Then the decimal is 0.04. Again in this one, again you can see question. This point is shift left side 2 decimal points. Again, what is the answer? 0.59. You can see again we repeat. This decimal is shift how many places? 2, 1 and 2. Then you can see what is the answer? 0.485. 0.485. Then it is, you can do orally, very easy. In this one, again shift 2 decimal place to the left. Then 8 and 1 more 0. You can see 8 and 0 and the decimal point here. Then what is the answer? 0.0807. Then in this one, only 4% decimal. 4 and 0. Then 4, 0 and then decimal point. And here also shift 2 decimal left, then see 0.599 and 9. I think it is clear for you. Again, the next question is write as a percent. Then you can see here question number 11, 7 by 8. The same method, using a long division method. 7 is divided by 8, and in this one again 24 is divided by 30, and in this one 1 is divided by 16 and 44 is divided by 64. What is the answer? It is 87.5. It is 80%. Here is 6.25 and here is 68.75%. Now I think it is clear. These you can use a long division method. Long division method, the 24 is there inside and 30 outside. 1 is inside, 16 outside. Okay, I think 44 and 64. 44 is inside and 64 is outside. Now you can see the question number 21. 5 divided by 6. Then 1 by 8 and 3 divided by 17. Convert fraction into the percent. Then you can see what is the answer. 83 1 by 3%. How it become Again, with if it is given in the fraction using long division method, you can see 5 inside and 6 outside. Then 5 is smaller than 6. Then put a decimal point here, and then you can see, then after that you put 0. Then now it become 50. Then how many times? 8 times 6 is 48. Again 50 minus 48 is 2. Then you know, after the decimal always two digits. Then you can see here the 3, copy this one, 20, copy the 0. Then how many times? 6 times 3 is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. Then you can see what is the answer. 0.83 in decimal and 2 by 6. And 2 by 6 is not in the simplest form. Convert into the simplest form by dividing 2. Then what is the answer? 1 by 3. Now you can see your answer is 0.83, 1 by 3%. Then convert into the percentage, then multiplied by 100. What is the decimal is shift to the right. Then you can see what is the answer. 83.1 by 3%. Now I think it is clear. The same you try on a paper. Then the answers are 12, 1 by 2%, 17, 11 by 17%, and 87, 1 by 2%. Okay.